What's going on, guys? So for this video, I'm going to show you how to zero gap your Oster Fast Feeds. So these are the Club Tattoo edition. So what you're going to need is the ceramic blade that fits onto the Oster Fast Feeds. I'll have a link for it below. So check these out. So this blade is actually going to replace this moving blade. So in order to do so, you have to take off these two screws that attach onto the blade. So just make sure you have like a small screwdriver. And this pops right off. Look at that, that's nasty. That's why you gotta clean your clippers. No coronavirus in here. So you want to remove this top blade. Make sure you clean it up. Save it just in case like you chip your other blade and then you'll have a replacement. These are still like fairly new, so I want to make sure I keep these sprayed down with some disinfectant spray. Don't want it to rust. Move all that. That is nasty. Look at all that. This is why you clean your clippers every single week. Spray that down. So you just want to throw this back on. So it just goes on like that. And then you can throw your bottom blade back on. Attach your screws. Real simple, guys. I know a lot of people question how you can zero gap them, and I know there's a lot of modifications that you can do, but this is just the easiest way to do so. You just need the ceramic blade. It cost me about 10 bucks. Make sure it's set, zero gap properly, it's straight. Hold it in place when you screw it. Well, that is perfect. Sweet. Here, I'll let you guys check this out. Look at how much closer that is now. Yeah. And that, guys, is how you zero gap your Oster Fast Feeds.